The door or window alarm is a simple yet effective tool to prevent resident elopements in any facility. With its easy installation using adhesive backing, it can be placed on supply closets, medicine cabinets, windows, and doors within seconds. The 3-position switch allows for customization between off, chime, and alarm settings, ensuring that the alert fits the specific needs of the user. Powered by 3 1.5-volt batteries, this alarm is reliable and long-lasting. Once a door or window is open, the alarm sounds to notify staff immediately, giving them the opportunity to prevent any potential elopements. And the best part is, the alarm resets itself once the door or window is closed, making it hassle-free for staff members. With the door or window alarm, you can have peace of mind knowing that your residents are safe and secure.